Hi everyone, if you are in Key Stage 2 and taking the SATS exam this year, this video will help you to improve your math skill. Let's check it out. Hi everyone, we are going to look at the 2019 Paper 2 Reasoning. Question number 1. In this grid, there are 4 multiplications. Write the 3 missing numbers. You can see clearly 4 times 8 is 32. So you can write 4 times 8 is 32. Now 4 times 3 is 12. And now 21 here and 3 here. 3 times what number gives 21? So 3 times 7 is 21. So basically you need to divide 21 by 3 gives the 7. That is the answer. So that will work. 8 times 7 gives the 56 as well. So that is question number 1 done. Question number 2. What number is 1000 less than 9072? So 9072, you need to take away 1000. You can do column subtraction, or if you can do a mental maths by reducing by 1 the 1000 unit as 9, take away 1 is 8. So 2, 7, 0 and 8. So that is the answer. 8072 is the question number 2 answer. Let's go on to the question number 3. Question number 3, order the numbers starting with the largest, match each number with its order. Largest is the first one, so we need to check the numbers on the left hand side. The left hand side, everyone has the digit 1. Then the next one, 0002. So this number, it's the highest or largest number to this one. So we are connecting this and this. Then out of this one, we are checking the second digit is everything is 0. And the third digit is 020. So this is the second largest number. And the third largest is 9 and 9 are same, and 9 and 0, so that is the third largest. And the fourth one, it's going to be this number. So you need to think about the numbers left hand side units step by step, compare with the other numbers and making sure you find the answer. So the third digit is the 0, 2 and 0. So 2 is the biggest number, so the second largest. Let's look at the question number 4. Here is a shaded shape on a square grid. Reflect the shape in the mirror line. Use a ruler. So we are going to reflect this one. How to do this one? So this point is one space, so here. So here too, we need to go for 3 length and all the way up to here and 2 length like this. And this one, this point is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the point. So here to here we connect and here to here connect. Every time you need to remember. So let me change the color and show. So the distance between here is 2 distance. Here is the 2 distance. And the distance between here is 3 distance. And here is the 3 distance. Distance between here is 1 and here is 1. That's all about it. Right, now we are going for the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. The numbers in the sequence increase by 45 each time. So here to here increase by 45. And here to here increase by 45. So 290. And here to here increase by 45. So 290 add with 45 and 5, 13, 335. Now here to here increase by 45, so you need to take away the 45 from here, so 110 is this answer. So you take away 45 gives 110, 155, 155 plus 45 is 200, 245, and 245 plus 45, 290, 335. Now, write the missing number to make this division correct. Now, you need to check this 0.3, this also 0.03. So, 3 and 3 are going to be same. Now, this is very smaller number and this is a larger number. So, larger number definitely divide by 10 or 100 or 1000 is the answer. So here, how many decimal place? 1 decimal place. Here, 2 decimal place. So 1 decimal place change to 2 decimal place means its difference is 2 and 1 is 1. 1 means only one zero number, that is 10. So 0.3 divide by 10, the decimal point move to the forward 0.03. That is the answer for question number 6. Question number 7. Jack pours some dark paint into the container in liters. How much paint is in the container? So now you can see this is a 5 liter and this is 4 liter. Halfway through it's 5.5 liter. And if this is a 3 and the 2 units here, this should be 2.5 liter. You can write 2.5 liters or you can write 2.5 liters, right? So you need to identify each division is going by quarter, half, 3/4, 1 whole. That is the question number 7. Question number 8. In this sequence, the rule to get the number is multiply by 2 and then add 3. So multiply by 2 is 50, add 3 is 53, and multiply by 2 is 53 times by 2 is 106, and add 3 is 109, and 109 is the correct answer. Now if we are going opposite way, you need to do reverse order. Take away 3, 25 take away 3 is 22, and 22 divide by 2, which is 11, right? So the way I have written is wrong. So 22 is the answer. Then after 22, divide by 2 gives 11 is the correct answer, right? So you can do 11 times 2 is 22 plus 3, 25, and so on. So 1 mark question. That is question number 8. Question number 9. Jack choose a number. He multiplies. So Jack choose a number. We don't know what is the number. He multiply by 7 and he gets some number. And then he add 85 to that number. And the answer is 953. What number did Jack choose? You need to go in the opposite direction, reverse operation. So 953, you need to take away 85. So if you take away 85, this becomes 8, this becomes 15. So 15 becomes 14 and this becomes 13. 13 take away 5 is 8. 14 take away 8 is 6, and 8 drops here, 868. 868 is the answer, is here, 868. Now, when you do the reverse operation, 868 divide by 7. 7 ones are 7, 1 remaining 16, 7 twos are 14, and 2 remaining for 28. 7 fours are 28, and that is the answer. And the answer is 124 is the correct answer. Question number 9. Question number 10 is a theme park sells tickets online. Each ticket costs £24. So each ticket costs £24. There is a £3 charge for buying tickets. So this is the additional fee. You need to pay £3 additionally. Which of these shows how to calculate the total cost in pounds, right? So number of tickets, we don't know. That times by 24 and add the service charge or something at 3. So the first answer is number of tickets times by 3. That is wrong. Number of tickets times by 24 plus 3. That looks good. And number of tickets plus, that's wrong. Number of tickets plus 24, that is wrong. So the correct answer is number of tickets. Each ticket you need to times by 24, add the service charge or booking fees or something, you need to add £3. And that is the correct answer. Moving on to the question number 11. Amina is shopping. She says, I would like to buy a 1/4 of the kilogram of the cheese. 1/4. So 1/4 is like this. Write 1/4 on the scale as a decimal. 1/4 is 0.25 kilogram. 0.25 kilogram. Now the cheese cost £135. Amina pays with £2. So £2 mean 2.00, and you take away 1.35, take away and 1, and this is 10, and this is going to be 9, and this is going to be 10. So 10 take away 5 is 5, 9 take away 3 is 6, and 0.65. So 0.65. And now question number 11 is done. Question number 12. Here are 3 symbols: less than, greater than, and equal. Write one symbol in each box to make the statements correct. 7 divided by 10 is 0.7. This is 0.07. 0.07 is smaller than 0.7. So that is the answer. So you need to understand. So 0.07 means 7 divided by 100. So that is a very small number compared to 7 divided by 10. 23 over 1000 and 0.23 is 23 over 100. If you divide by a bigger number, the answer is small. So if you compare 100 and 1000, the bigger number at the bottom on the left hand side. So that should be a smaller number compared to 0.23. Question number 13. Here is a sketch of a triangle. It is not drawn to scale. 8 centimeter is drawn. Draw the full size of the triangle accurately by using the protractor and the ruler. So one line has been drawn for you. So first of all, in one edge, you need to place the protractor. In the protractor at 35, you need to mark a line and take the protractor out, and you need to draw a line as that is the 35 line. So you need to make 35 degree as the angle. Then after that, you need to place your protractor here, and in the protractor, you need to mark the 90 degrees. 90 degrees is straight up. So you put a dot, and after that, take the protractor out, and you need to draw the line. And both lines are intersecting at this point, and that is the point you need to connect and find out. That is how to draw the triangle. Question number 14. Complete the table, the nearest to 10,000. 10,000 has 4 zeros. 4 zeros mean fourth number from the right hand side is the decision maker. So 1, 2, 3, fourth number. Fourth number is 9. 9 gives 1 to the previous number. So this becomes 40,000. 40,000 is the answer. Nearest to 10,000 means 30. 30 means 4 is the decision maker. 4 is less than 5. He won't be giving any number. So 39,000 is the correct answer. To the nearest 100 is 2 zeros. 20 means second number is 7. 7 is more than 5. He will give 1 for the previous number. So 39,500. And that is the correct answer. Amina asked 60 children to choose their favorite flavor of the jelly. Raspberry 12, lemon 8, orange 15, blackcurrant 25, and the total is 60. The question is, what percentage of the 60 children choose orange? So orange is 15 over total 60 times by percentage times by 100, and you need to simplify this one. 5 goes into 3 and 5 goes into 12, right? So 5 goes into 3, or you can do it in a different way. So you can knock the 0 with the 0, 1 zeros cancel. You can divide by 3, 3 times 5 and 3 times 2. Now the question changed to 5 over 2 times by 10. And now this 2 times 1, 2 times 5, 5 times 5 is 25%. 25% is the correct answer. Question number 16. Write the missing number. 2 times 2 is 4. 6 plus 4, take away something, equal 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Take away something, equal 6. 10 take away 4 is 6. So the missing number is 4 is the correct answer. Missing number is 4. These two shapes have the same perimeter. The length of the hexagon is 8 centimeter each side. So this is 8, 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 this is 8. So that means hexagon 6-sided times 8, 48 centimeter. That perimeter is same as square. Square 48, 4 side. You divide by 4, each side is 12. So this is 12, this is 12, this is 12, this is 12. Now the question, calculate the area of the square. Area of the square is 12 times 12, 144. The units are very important, centimeter square. Question number 18. Circle the prime number. 95, it's not a prime because if the number ending with 5, it can be divisible by 5. So that is not a prime number. 87, find out the digit sum. Digit sum means 8 plus 7 is 15. Again, 1 plus 5 is 6. The 6 can be divided by 3. Therefore, this also can be divided by 3. This can be divided by 5. If numbers are divided by other numbers, they are not prime numbers. So only prime numbers I think about is 89. Explain how you know the other numbers are not prime numbers. Other numbers can divide by different numbers. 95 can be divided by 5, that is equal to 19. 87 divided by 3, and that can be 29. Therefore 95 and 87 are not prime. That is the question number 8. Question number 19. A machine pours 250 milliliters of juice every 4 seconds. So every 4 seconds, 250 ml juice. How many liters of juice does this machine pour every minute? So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So how many 60s are in 4? So 60 divided by 4, it's going to be 20, and 5 is 20. So 15. So 4 is going to be times by 15, gives 60 seconds, equal times by 15 is the answer. So 250 milliliter times by 15. So you can do the answer as a column multiplication. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. 2 remaining. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2 is 12. And place a 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. The answer is 0, 5, 7, 3. 3750, and that is equivalent to 3.75 liters. So 3.75 liters. So this is 3750 milliliters. Now convert 3750 divide by 1000, and that gives 3.75 liters. Question number 20. Take the fractions that are equal to 20%. So 1 over 20, you can times it by 100. So that is going to be 5%. 20 over 40 times by 100, cut 0, 2 ones, 2, 2. 100 divided by 2 is 50%. 1 over 5, that could be the answer. 5 goes into 20, so that is 20%. So that could be the answer. But further, we are going to do further. So 315 times by 100, 3 ones and 3 fives. That is same as 1/5 of 100, which is 20%. Now that could be the answer. 2 upon 100 times 100, that 100 cancel, 2%. So correct answer is 1/5 and 3/15 are same fraction, and that is equivalent to 20%. Question number 21. Adam has a rectangular piece of card. It is marked with the grid lines, and Adam makes 2 straight cuts along the grid, and the 2 cuts divide the rectangle into 3 shapes, 2 squares different sizes and 1 rectangle. Using the grid lines, draw 2 lines and show Adam could have made his cuts. Use a ruler. So I'm going to count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Adam should have cut all the way up to here. So this becomes the square. Then maybe he cut somewhere here to make another square. So this is a square, and this is another square, and this is a rectangle. So he only used 2 cuts. So 1 and 2 cuts. So this is my second cut, and this is my first cut. That is the question number 21. Question number 22. The graph shows the maximum temperature for 5 days. So 5 days temperature is given, and for what fraction of the 5 days was the temperature below the 10 degrees. So 10 degree, 8.1 is less than 10 degree, 1, and only 2 days. So 2 days out of 5. That is the answer for 2/5 is the fraction. So what fraction 5 of the 5 days, the maximum temperature below 10 degrees. Only 2 days below the 10 degrees, 2 out of 5 days. What was the mean temperature to 1 decimal place? Mean means total divide by number of items. Number of items, we know it's 5. Now we need to add 8.1 plus 9.3 plus 11.9 plus 11.8 plus 12.4. So this is the question you need to do as a column addition. So let's start with 12.4, 11.8, 11.9, 9.3, 8.1 addition. 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 9 is 21, 24, 25, 5 and 2 remaining. 2 plus 2 is 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. 2 remaining. 2 plus 3 is 5. 53.5 is the total divide by 5. So you can easily 53.5 divide by 5. 5 goes into 1, 5. 5, 0. 5 times 10 is 50 and 3 remaining for 35. So you place the decimal and 5 times 7 is 35. You don't need to put the decimal here. So no remaining. So the answer is 10.7 is the answer. So mean means, careful, total. You need to add all the numbers and divide by 5. Question number 23. Amina made this cuboid using the centimeter cubes. Stefan makes a cuboid that 5 centimeter longer than, taller than 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter wider than Amina's cuboid. What is the difference between the number of cubes in Amina's and Stefan's cuboids? So number of cubes is the question. Say for an example, this is Amina's cube. So Amina's cube, 4 times, 6 times, 3 cubes are there. So that is going to be 4 times 6 is 24. 24 times 3. You can do a column multiplication. 3 times 4, 12, 1 remaining. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 72 cubes. Now Stefan is going to do 5 centimeter larger, taller, wider. So at 5, 9 times at 5, 11, at 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So all I am doing is I am adding 5 for this one and 6. I am adding 5 for this one and I am adding 5 for this one. So 5 adding to this one. So 9 times 11 is 99 times 8. 8 times 9 is 72, 7. 8 times 9, 72 plus 7 is 792. So difference means we need to find out the difference by 792. Take away 72. The answer is 720 is the correct answer. So difference is 720. That's the end of the paper. That's the last question of the paper. Watch out our other videos to do the 2017, 18 and other papers. We have sample papers. Watch out the sample papers as well. Thank you.